Hi, and thanks for stopping by. At this station, I'm going to discuss our new industrial DVD player, the HD 2700. We have three versions of this. We have the HD 2700D, which is just the DVD player. We have an M version, which has the SD and the USB slot on the front. And then we're going to have an N version that'll be a networked player. Now, all three models will have the DVD slot. Now, this is a unique DVD player in a sense that a traditional DVD spins the disc 24/7. So you have all these moving parts, you have the laser, you have the capstan motor, so eventually it will fail. The HD 2700 is very unique as you load the disc, it will start playing, but it will also buffer everything to internal RAM. Once everything is buffered, the disc stops spinning and you essentially have a media player. So theoretically you should get 6, 7, 8, 9 years out of it. This player is also unique where you can play traditional DVDs, but you can also play DVD-ROMs. So if you want to update content at a remote location, you can send them a DVD with video files, audio files, picture files, anything you want. Load it in there. It's going to play the files just as it would a media player, but it's reading it off the DVD-ROM. Again, it'll buffer it to the internal RAM, stop spinning the disc when it's all buffered over. So the M version is exactly the same, except we have a USB and SD. And from here, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to load your video files, photo files. You load them in there. It's going to automatically play, automatically loop, seamlessly loop. You're not going to have like a blank between videos or some on-screen display. Very simple signage. And everything's going to auto-start, auto-play, auto-repeat. So that means if you lose power when it comes back on, hands-free, will start playing again. No on-screen display, nothing to mess with. It's just going to handle it by itself. This is our prototype model. It's very close to the final product. It's got the front screen is actually going to be a touch screen, and these will be illuminated, so it's kind of like your iPhone. You're going to have a hard piece of glass on the front of this. On the back of these units, we have a couple different connections. So we have composite video and component video out. We have HDMI out 1080. We have an optional USB Wi-Fi connection there for a dongle, IR, and we have our interactive component. So this interactive display, as you came closer, it triggered this video. This is just one of our interactive options. With any of the models, you can connect a peripheral here, so you can do one of the scales or a motion sensor or push buttons and trigger content to add a little interaction. The Ethernet jack is going to be for the networked player. This is truly a revolution in a DVD player because mainly we're buffering the content and we're reading the raw video files. So as you have traditional DVDs, you put them in your player, and if they're going through all these menus and commercials and previews, we're going to skip all that and we're playing the raw video files. So this is an industrial quality DVD player, has lots of features and functionality, and it is light years ahead of anything else out there. Thanks for stopping by. If you're interested in these ultrasonic speakers you hear, or some of the other interactive functions that we have, or our line of media players, please take a look at some of these other TVs around here. Thanks so much.